Hello there. We walking the dogs today.
Huge.
It was full grown.
That's gotta be a horrible death for an animal.
Yeah.
That's why you gotta make routine checks on cows, you know, when they're calving.
So true.
You should start making calendars. Well, when you're Omaha, just Dan with her and I.
That'd be fun.
Well, I had mentioned that at her sister's funeral. That I'd like for all of us to get together. Nobody's going along with all of us.
What do you mean?
Rob. Mm-hmm. That's on me. You really need calendars here too.
Yeah.
Like standing on that rock. Okay, getting. That I think is just about all gone now. Right down to the smell.
Got some nice deer carcass right here. Damn dogs. Huh?
Is there much left?
Yeah, there's enough for them to chew on. I'm sure Baxter will be back down here to chew on it. Oh, here's some of its skin.
Watch him like a hawk. Isn't this cool? I hate going down through here though. Oh, Robert, he's
What?
robbing.
No, he's not.
He just did.
I didn't see it. Oh.
Tucker, come on.
Wonder if I caught it on the camera.
Tucker. Tucker. I swear that dog's dead. Tucker.
Bax, shouldn't be eating that shit.
Let's go. Come on, Tuck. See, so
Bitch.
Maybe one of these days you're going to have a full still and want me to take that pain out of you. Get going!
You need to train your dog.
That's pretty, I think.
Yeah.
Look at those little flowers just growing in the rock. Yeah. Or preservatives.
Yeah, yeah.
But you know, hothouse tomatoes, they have them in the ad. It's like $1.99 a pound.
Jeez.
Those drug cars.
Yeah, people smoke it.
Do they?
Mm-hmm.
How do you smoke it?
They put the tablet on a piece of foil and light the underneath side and suck the smoke through a straw.
Oh my God.
Learned it from watching Intervention.
Isn't that wild?
Mm-hmm.
Gotta people put their brains to as much work.
Pretty sure it's OxyContin that they do that too.
And Vicodin and 50 years before it breaks down.
Yeah, I remember you mentioning that last night. I'd say that's probably enough footage.
Yeah, that just goes to show you old farmyards and stuff like that that you walk through.
Max, come get a treat.
Can you plate the dog beside you standing
Treat.
there? Good boy.
Yeah, come on, come get a treat.